students, welcome to our digital learning in our subject of science and technology. Today, we are going to start with our first topic, which is environment. Okay, first of all, let us understand what is environment. Environment refers to all things that surround us, including living things and non-living things. Here are good examples of living things and non-living things, like air. Air is non-living things. Nutrients. All living things must eat in order to get nutrients. Another is water. Water is non-living things. Also, there is reproduce. All living things must reproduce in order to increase more generation. Lastly is movement. All living things must undergo movements. Okay, let us see another part in this topic, which is safe environment. Safe environment for living things is one that has not been polluted or affected by other environmental threats. Safe environments. These are environments that allows living things to live and flourish. On the other hand, a polluted environment is not safe for living things because it affects their health and growth. The environment that are safe for living things and the growth of living things include clean soil, air, and water. If the environment is polluted, it becomes unsafe for living things. We should keep our environment clean simply because a clean environment, it helps for the survival of living things. How? We can keep our environment clean by planting trees, avoiding cutting down trees without planting it, also to put a wastes in the dustbins. This picture shows the environmental pollution. Environmental pollution refers to the introduction of harmful contaminants into the natural environment, causing a diverse effect. This contamination can affect air, water, soil, and ecosystem, leading to the health issues for humans and wildlife. Common pollutants include chemicals, pollutants from industrial process, emission from vehicles, and the improper disposal of wastes. Also, there is overall balance of natural world that led to cause the environmental pollution in our surrounding environment. Okay, let us see about soil pollution. Soil pollution refers to the contamination of soil with harmful substances, often resulting from human activities like agricultural practice and mining. The sources of soil pollution are diverse and can include industrial activities, agricultural practice, improper waste disposal, and mining. Another one is water pollution. Water pollution refers to the contamination of water bodies such as rivers, lakes, ocean, groundwater, and even drinking water sources with harmful substances. Daily human activities may pollute water sources. These activities include washing of clothes, bathing, defecating, urinating, and farming near water sources or along river banks. Students, let us see this picture that shows the water pollution. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances like chemicals, nutrients, pathogens are introduced into the water, disrupting its quality and making it unsafe for human use or harmful to aquatic
the seepage
life.
of chemicals from
Water
farms
pollution
and other agricultural
can be
activities,
caused by industrial
oil spills,
discharges,
marine debris,
agricultural runoff,
and the flow of
improper disposal
stormwater
of
from land
wastes,
to waterways.
oil spills, and
So,
untreated
how does
sewages.
water pollution?
Last type of pollution is air pollution. Air is a mixture of various gases that are found in the atmosphere. Air can be clean or polluted. Okay, let us see about clean air and polluted air. Clean air has no pollutant harmful to the health and environment, while polluted air has contaminants which are harmful to human beings, animals, plants, and environment. Let us see among the sources of air pollution. Human activities such as burning of forests may cause air pollution. This is because the burning of forests can have significant effects on air pollution. When forest burns, they release a large amount of smoke, particulate matters, and various gases in the air. The specific pollutants released depend on the type of vegetation burning and the combustion condition. Also, burning forests release carbon dioxide and other green gases. Apart from this, air pollution can be caused by smoke from industries, factories, and motor vehicles. Students, our last part today is all about effect of environmental pollution. Extreme weather change are often linked to climate change, driven by human activities such as burning of fossil fuel, deforestation, industrial activity. Also, the issue related to environmental pollution. Pollution can harm ecosystem. The contamination of air, water, and soil can affect the habitat and the food source of many organisms. Soil and water pollution can diversely affect agriculture. Contamination of soil reduces soil fertilities, impacts the livelihood of farmers, and lead to economic losses and food insecurity. Environmental pollution can affect on human health, impacting various body systems and increasing the risk of diseases. Example, air pollution causes respiratory issues, water pollution causes spreading of diseases like cholera. Okay, it is very important, students, to protect our environment. The protecting of environment involves individual and collective efforts to minimize the negative impact on ecosystem and promote sustainability. To keep our environment clean and safe, solid waste which can decompose and that which cannot decompose should be kept separate. It is important to direct wastewater to establish sewage system. Okay, class, let us see the process of recycling. Pieces of paper and glass can be taken to recycling center or facilitate recyclable materials. Example, paper. Local recycling center or drop-off points accept paper. They often have separate bins for different types of paper, like newspaper and magazine. In a glass recycling center similar to paper, local recycling center often have containers specifically for glass. Rinse the glass containers before recycling. Solid waste under certain conditions can decompose and transform into organic matter that resemble manure. This process generally happens in composting system or facilitated specifically designed for organic waste breakdown. Organic waste such as food scraps, yard waste, leaves, glass, and certain paper products is collected separately from other types of waste. This organic waste forms the base material for compost. Therefore, it is important to direct wastewater to establish the sewage system. If there is no such system, the wastewater should be kept in special wastewater pits when the wastewater pits are full. Polluting water source affect people and other living things. The sewage from residential houses causes the spread of diseases like cholera and typhoid. Additionally, let us see about cleanliness and safety of air. This is crucial for maintaining public health and environmental well-being. Example, a clean environment plays a crucial role in promoting health by reducing the risk of diseases. It helps minimize exposure to pollutants and harmful substances, leading to better air and water quality. Preventing pollution through alternative sources of energy involves shifting away from traditional polluting energy sources like fossil fuel, firewood, but we can embrace renewable energy options such as solar, wind, hydropower can significantly reduce pollution. So planting trees is an effective way to combat pollution, as trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, helping improve air quality and create a more sustainable environment.